big, beautiful one right there. Where are your friends, baby? Just saw a bunch of them. Where'd they all go? Oh, look. On the roof right there. Turkey vulture? Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm seeing a turkey vulture or vulture. Yeah. I'll keep an eye on something over there that's definitely dead. Oh, there's another one. Holy crap. Oh, wow. I was wondering what those big birds were. Wow. You guys have a message? Or is you just looking for your lunch over there? Holy crap. That's so cool. And it's like there's a hierarchy. I think there's a hierarchy in order here where like these guys come in after. Oh God, I don't want to know what's dead over there, guys. But it is still cool to see these. I mean, these birds are. This camera doesn't do justice to how big they are. Massive. There's another one. Oh wow, look. Oh, they're all flying over there. Yeah, it's over there in the, oh look, the crows are chasing them, try to chase them away from the dead carcass. It's hopefully not, oh God, I don't know what it is. It's probably something pretty big though to have all those big birds. It's probably a deer. I haven't seen deer in a long time. I could film those birds all day. I mean, look at how they're yeah, it's something dead over there in the field over there. It's got to be something pretty big because I don't normally see, and I walk this path every day. I don't never see vultures over here. But, you know, we live in an area where there's a lot of deer usually that get hit by cars. Most likely it's a deer. But I was just reading about the Morrigan, and then they appeared. And I know that vultures aren't associated with the Morrigan, but there were just 3 birds sitting there, and the Morrigan are 3 sisters. And wow, that's pretty cool. That was awesome to see. Now they're sitting over there. My camera's not going to be able to pick them up. They're sitting over there on the other side of the street now.